I think it's a terrible idea actually. The lot to do. You see, even what I just said there, now I'm just overthinking it. Don't be like this, don't be like this.
Yeah, I think it's done. Sorry mate. I can't believe he's done this today.
You're rapping it, Jack. Is it basically long?
And look, it's alright.
There's two things of what you've done there.
Hello and welcome back to the channel where today we are back with the little Yaris. Bit of a change of scenery today as we're here at Identity Wraps. You may remember these guys from our S15 project and other projects before that. Andy's the guy we trust with all of our big jobs. He's done everything from the original Mark II Golf to the current M2 we run on track and loads of others. Blackfish Graphics, our friends out in Germany, have sent the design over to him. Andy's then done his thing with it, decided on some materials and some other bits and bobs that he wanted to experiment with on a job for ages now. I kind of just give him free rein to do his thing. So we're here today to see how that's turned out and then watch him as he puts that final touch on the car. Let's get to it.
Here it is.
Show me what you got.
So the colour is deep, but it is printed.
It looks wicked, doesn't it?
Yeah, I know. And the matte finish sets it off really well.
We've still got a bit of white showing on the sides.
Yeah. You've got.
So you're going to have gloss to like satin.
So you'll have a matte with a gloss, and then obviously you've got print in the other room, which is going to be like a really deep, heavy metallic. Like I think satin black with all the yellow at the front. These finish off the front.
The lights are wicked.
Yeah, let's see.
I like that. So we left that edge.
You could see it, but when you stood back, you totally lost that finish. You were right to cut that out.
It looks good with it just finished there.
It's just a nice finish line on that edge. And then obviously all this front, that's why we've had it here, because there's so much covered by the kit. Obviously all that's going to be wrapped
Can do them yellow as well.
Yeah, can do.
Yeah, let's
For
do
sure.
them yellow as well.
Yeah, definitely. The next bit I'll do, so I finished that. This was all done this morning. So what I'll start doing is working my way around that bottom bit, and then start doing all the side skirts, separating it, putting all the bits in as well. Right.
You've only got like 2 days to do it. So I'm going to stop talking to you.
Can you leave it? I can leave it on.
It's on there now.
No. I'm talking about that bit on the back.
What?
Do you definitely want this in PDF?
No, I'm not that bothered.
Oh, right.
Be nice though, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Be nice if you could do that.
Yeah, that's
a good cut.
Oh, I see. Well, now you said that, I suppose it makes sense.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think all those little bits will be fine. Red mirrors. Do you want to see this red?
Yeah.
Like it's more punchy, but it's got a better metallic to it.
Going to be gloss like that?
I think so, yeah, because it changes it up. Because obviously you've got a nice matte finish, and then you've got a high red.
Yeah, do that. I like that.
Yeah. I think that'd be the winner.
Oh, those colours.
I've got some red printed as well, because I was like, I'm not sure whether you want it. That was the red that was the Pantone they chose, but I think that's a winner. Because everything's quite subtle compared to a gloss.
Why don't we leave the red off until we've got the sides on?
Yeah.
We'll do one wing mirror casing in it,
Yeah.
pop it on and see. Because I don't know if there's going to be so much satin up it that you put something gloss on, you're like, looks a bit off.
Yeah. And obviously that is a vibe.
If we just do a wing mirror colour,
yeah.
if we don't like it, we can just
I know you sound.
put them in there.
So red, wing mirrors red, little edges on the the spats, they're red.
Front,
yeah, and we've got enough to do that out of that red as well, so that's good. But again, that's the colour that was chosen, but because it's matte, it has dyed the colour down quite a lot.
Right, let's do it. Right, let's see what it looks like. Right, the only black ones are little ones that help the blueberries on the side. Remember Simon was in there for like ever.
Well, I remember that's how I got stiff, mate. Reach around, or reach under.
Got the old back arch on the floor.
Gay!
do in a minute. Once you've done all the sides, you put the body kit back on, right? Because you need the kit on to line the other bits up.
Yeah, we're not going to do that because everything's got to be wrapped and then put back on.
Yeah.
What do you want to do? What would you like?
I just want you to do the process you're doing.
Yeah, but the process I'm doing, I'm going to wrap the lip.
Quicker. Because I'm hungry.
Are you?
No, I'm joking. Go on.
You test that. It's just a colour sample. I don't know what is. You're making this really hard, James.
I'm not really sure what I'm
What do
doing.
you prefer?
Oh, that other one looks
This
wrong.
one?
That looks wrong.
This looks wrong. You like this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's why we did that. You can wear it as a watch if you want. It's up to you. Okay, yeah,
nice.
the special
Yes.
band.
See, where there's not much red in the car, if you go gloss and all standy outy like that, I don't think that looks right. I think that suits.
That also red in the flag. It matches the red in the flag, but I don't know whether you want
Hold on.
like a more punchy red.
Is it the same red as the flag?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think we should introduce another one. Broke your heart, haven't I?
No. It's just I've got to get more of that red printed to make sure we can do.
Oh, bloody hell.
No, because you've got a splitter to do. You've got like 2 metres worth of splitter.
Do it in little sections.
Just do that little tiny bits.
That's what I do when I wrap
Like a dotted line.
Yeah, I think it's that one. Sorry, mate. I can't believe he's done this today. Don't give me choices if you don't want it.
Because you're going to hold it and we'll just do it together. You're wrapping it, James. Is it basically long this?
And look, it's alright.
There's 2 things of what you've done there. I've got now order more red and also that's lovely.
Oh, was that piece of design? Was that a bit of the design?
Might have been. It's not anymore.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you've done well actually. Yeah.
Wow.
It's stuck.
Oh, and that's
And now it's you stick to them polishes, brother. See, I'll take those. You take that bit.
Oh, what am I doing?
You're going to do something. I'll take that.
I don't want to learn how to
Yeah, no, but this is fun because they can use this.
move it to the edge. I've got this.
Yeah. Right.
That's alright.
That's character. That's all character.
I'll tell you what, I had wing mirrors that looked worse than that from the other guy.
Lovely. Look at that.
No.
I'm just smashing it down. I can't heat it because you moaned about that. Right.
That was good fun actually.
Perfect.
That's great, but you've put it on the wing mirror where we haven't got the other colours on the side of you. You should have done that wing mirror.
Well, it doesn't matter, does it? Because you're just seeing the red against the teal. I mean, I can put it on the other side, upside down.
No.
Oh, oh no, there you go. What colour do you prefer?
This one.
Yeah? Definitely that one.
Yeah, this
Definitely not the other red.
No.
Right. Should we chameleon tint it and do reflective calipers?
I like chameleon tint. Got nothing against it.
You didn't say that, don't lie to me.
So we are here at the AutoFinesse Detailing Academy and we're getting ready to show the Yaris off to our first guests. Tonight is a bit of a preview night for some of the press and some of our friends that have been involved in this build. It's a bit of a party as well because it's been a while since we've had this place open and invited people over. There's still a little bit more setting up to do, and we've got to clean that little Yaris because it's been in the body shop for months now and we've not touched it, so we better crack on.
I make this motherfucker bang, coolie suelta, media loca, baila choca. I make this motherfucker bang, rebelde y grites, gangale, bandidos en la noche, yo que mando aquí. Ven acá, suelte mami, así me gusta soportar. 7 copas, una juca, tequila. Sal y perrear. No tienes vergüenza, mami. Baby, quiero ser el río de tu Tokio. Chingamos en la casa de papel sin negocio. Esta vida nunca se acaba la fiesta. Comiéndote todo el día, que se joda esa dieta. I tell that sucker, yeah. I tell that sucker, coolie suelta, media loca, baila choca. I make this motherfucker bang, rebelde y grites, gangale, bandidos en la noche, yo que mando aquí. Ven acá, suelte mami, así me gusta soportar. 7 copas, una juca, tequila. Sal y perrear. Sal y no tienes vergüenza, mami. Sal. Ajá, no tienes vergüenza, mami.
I got the fattest ass in Queens, bitch.
Hey, yo.
And we really getting money. V,
Let's go.
Hey, yo, V.
what's up? Robando corazón y todo el dinero. Me gustan los bandoleros. Blowing the bank, tíralo pa' cielo. Lo quiero entero. Dinero, papi, te quiero. ¿Qué es tu problema? Yo tengo sueño.
So that is a wrap on our Yaris launch event. The car is finished and we're really happy with how this one has turned out in such a short space of time. There's still a little more for us to do to get this exactly as we want it, but for now, that is a wrap. Thank you for joining us and we hope you join us on the next one.
I make this motherfucker bang, coolie suelta, media loca, baila choca. I make this motherfucker bang, rebelde